Hey everyone! Want to know more about Call of Destiny and its amazing features? Well, you're in luck because we're going to let you in on a secret. All you have to do is click on your sign and you will discover remarkable offers waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive in and click on your sign to find out. Are you ready to unlock a whole new world of gaming experiences? Call of Destiny offers an exciting multiplayer experience where you can team up with friends and take on the enemy together. With intuitive gameplay and stunning graphics, you'll feel like you're right on the edge of the battlefield, ready to defeat your enemies. But that is not all. Call of Destiny also offers a variety of customization options that allow you to customize your character and make it your own. Whether you prefer a futuristic or a more traditional look, you'll have the freedom to choose your style. Are you ready to level up and unlock new weapons and abilities? With Call of Destiny, you will be able to do exactly that. As you progress through the game, you'll have the opportunity to unlock new weapons, abilities, and cosmetic items that will make you stand out from the crowd. And that's just the beginning. As you progress through Call of Destiny, you'll also have the chance to participate in exciting events and challenges that reward you with exclusive content and rewards. So what are you waiting for? Click on your sign to discover all the amazing features that Call of Destiny has to offer. Don't miss this incredible gaming experience. Click on your sign and discover the adventure of a lifetime.